In this tutorial, we'll look at two important event nodes in SimLab Composer, AI Agent Start Talk and AI Agent End Talk. These nodes let you trigger specific actions when an AI agent starts or finishes speaking. This makes it possible to coordinate different elements in your VR scenes, adding more depth and control to the way interactions unfold. For this example, we will use the AI Agent Start Talk and AI Agent End Talk events to control the playback of a sound wave video. When the AI starts talking, the AI Agent Start Talk event will trigger the video to begin playing, and when the AI stops talking, the AI Agent End Talk event will stop the video and reset it to the beginning. This process allows you to synchronize media with the AI's speech, ensuring a smooth and dynamic VR experience. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then navigate to the Training Builder. Then, right-click to open the Nodes List window, then search for the AI Agent Start Talk event. In the AI Agent name input, specify the AI agent you want to trigger this event for. From the Responses section, select the Video Play node and connect it to the AI Agent Start Talk event to trigger the video when the AI starts talking. Then, right-click to open the Nodes List window, then search for the AI Agent End Talk event. In the AI Agent name input, specify the AI agent you want to trigger this event for. Then, from the Responses section, select the Video Seek node and connect it to the AI Agent Stop Talk event. Set the time input to 0 to reset the video and pause it when the AI stops talking. Now we will talk about another node, has valid AI key. This node checks whether the user has a valid AI key activated. If the key is not valid, you can use this node to trigger a response, such as informing the user about the issue or restricting access to certain parts of the experience. It gives you control over how to handle the activation status of the AI key in your VR project. For this example, we use the Has Valid AI Key node to verify if the user has an active AI key. If the user either does not have a valid AI key active, the node triggers a message informing them that a valid AI key is required to access the experience. This ensures that only users with the appropriate key can proceed. Now let's begin. First, from the Event section, add a Scene Start event. Then, from the Responses section, select the Has Valid AI Key node. Then, right-click to open the Node List window, then search for Branch and select it. Connect the result output from the Has Valid AI Key node to the condition input of the Branch node. The false output is triggered when the result from the Has Valid AI Key node is false, meaning the user does not have a valid AI key. From there, connect it to the Show Hide node and attach the message you want to display to inform the user that they do not have a valid AI key. Now let's test it.
Welcome. The school leadership is currently collecting the opinions of students and teachers about an important question. Should schools switch to a 4-day week, or should they continue with a 5-day week? This is an important discussion, as both options have advantages and challenges. Today, we'll explore these ideas and hear different perspectives on the matter. Let's dive into the discussion. Are you ready to share your thoughts and begin the debate?